And her boobs are too big, so the dress barely covers her nipples.
It always helps.
What?
The bank thought that we vandalized his truck.
What? What do you
This is
mean?
a note.
What? When did the bank find out?
Because they probably saw it because they all got off at the same time.
Oh, so what did they say? Like, when did he find that out that they thought that?
They're probably like, they're probably like, did someone vandalize your truck?
Boys will be boys.
Yeah.
And then she puts on
Yeah,
another
it's so
coat thing, but barely puts it on because she enjoys how sexy she's looking right now. And then she goes up to random people like you and asks you how she looks.
That's hot. Oh god.
Oh, boobies.
That's hot.
Look! Coca-Cola! I would totally have this.
I know you would, and you would wear it every day.
Shut up!
I know you would.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, you would.
We're ready to go. Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to stop and pick Willow up. Is that all good?
Yeah, we better get going.
Okay, Mom!
It's 6:45.
Remind me when we get home to unscrew the Super Mario and plug
How
the
much is it to get in?
$2. We both need $2. Is that okay? We spent our $2 getting food. What are you doing?
I'm taking a video for like